So guys, with this birthday on a budget, I got some paper plates, as you can see right here, with some napkins. I thought they looked cute. They had the plates just like this napkin, same pattern, but I just like these plates. And because the cake isn't so big, why I get such a large plate. So yeah, I thought these were so cute. I like the theme. I wanted gold and white, but it don't work out as you wanted it, but I thought it blended well. And here I have just these little small cups to drink a drop of wine. Drink responsibly, guys. And these paper straws, to have with our drinks, like if you have some Pepsi and so on, and um yeah, the cake isn't a large cake, it's a 6-inch cake. If I don't lie, let me just open it out so you guys can see how it looks. So this is how it looks. A small, a 6-inch Black Forest cake. It was good for the price, and it's nothing big or fancy, just the closest of my family that's closer to me. So I just got a small cake, and yeah, you can just enjoy it. This is how you spend your birthday on a budget, basically. And this frame, I had it for quite a while now. I got it in a cheap shop here in Jamaica, and I had it in my room. I got two of them, well, not the same, but I just like it. It has this theme to it, the pink, and then this soft gold pinkish theme. So I said, why not just bring it out to make the table look more alive. So yes, guys, this is it as it pertains to me celebrating my birthday on a budget. It's not a lot, but what? It's just the thought that counts, giving God thanks for another day, and that you have great people around you. Even if it's 2 people, 3, 4, doesn't matter. Just have to be grateful for the people that's around you. So yeah, let the party begin. So guys, that was the look for today. It's a simple plain dress with a sequin on the side. I have this chain from when I went to a wedding a few years back. So this is how you have your birthday on a budget, I guess. And as some of you might know, I bleached my hair and I had a cherry cola rinse, semi-permanent rinse, but I don't feel like this is cherry cola based on how the bottle looks, but it looks good. Tell me guys what you think about this color. I'll probably change it, I'll probably keep it. Yeah, so I hope you guys are having a good day, whatever time it is, wherever you are, and yeah, sit back and enjoy the other clips of me cutting into the cake. Nothing too fancy, just a small get together. But I had to be glammed, especially for this video. So keep on watching. Yes, who is back? Ta-da! It's been a long while. It's been a long while. Tell the people them what they've been up to. School. School. Alright. Well, we are going to take a little bit of tea, so that we are drinking something up at dinner time, so. But we are I'm going to say and not hard. We're going to say something hard. Wine get a drunk? Guys, wine get a drunk? I don't know if wine get a drunk. Get a drunk?
Me not drink this, I don't know.
Come Tash. Yes, a little toast. Okay. Think. I know, so we're not drinking that.
You're used to it.
It don't finish. It don't finish. Oh, yeah, I know. 1-6. My God. Yeah, you that. So guys, we're just going to have dinner, and then you think we should do like a video where we just start and eat and just, you know. But yeah, that's it for this little segment here. You like her look? I did this little thing going on. It look cute. And then I hear just like do like this afro. Oh. But this is our dinner. You know, fried chicken, rice, and what? Bulgo.
Yeah.
Now we'll get enough else. Okay. Oh. My husband's strong. Amen. You can't say amen. No, you couldn't give me the weight. So Tash, how you like it here so far? How you like it here so far?
Good. Otherwise, so hot.
I think so. Like when your birthday, you need to have a big old birthday party and then something.
No.
Like you can just have it with people.
Yeah. But there was one there, like, then keep your birthday party, like, in a dance. So, like,
Like in a dance again.
yeah. Me like dance.
Oh. That's
Like, then, like, yeah, then say that, like, cake selling.
What do you mean? Cake selling a dance? Cake selling a dance?
So, and then they have their birthday party and then sell cake.
You sell cake at the birthday party?
Yeah.
You still have to eat with free?
Yeah.
How with that?
Then keep it like dance.
Really? You know
So,
that.
then advertise.
Alright, Andre.
Alright, like say, you might keep one dance and then say cake sale. And then birthday, you know.
But then birthday, but the man said then cake.
Yeah.
Which part that?
Well, then do it a country.
I didn't know about that until now.
So you never see no posters or nothing.
Oh, yeah, true. I understand. Cake sale. But I don't think I am birthday.
And you can't, but somebody didn't do it.
First, I know this.
Then it's turning a dance. Sell food, drinks, you know.
But if you have to, you can have a small get together with the people there. You don't have to have nothing big.
Family.
Yeah, family setting. I feel like when I reach a certain age, they just now like bother yourself on a big party and you just want to chill. Relax.
But you know, so for me, I look a picnic and never have a birthday party.
Really?
Yeah, me never
How come?
have a birthday party.
How come?
I never have none. Always mother always buy like Kia.
So if you like say that I have one note. Guys, the camera battery. Remember the camera battery? The space is full, so I didn't need something. I like that, you know. Yes, so she doesn't tell us that she never having a birthday party yet. So me I tell her that she should have like to have it in mind to have one when she older. And she say yeah. No. You don't want it big?
No.
Just like family thing, having friends. You don't even call me friend.
Well, me have one friend and she invite me one. I think at December, but me never go.
Oh.
Never go.
Alright. Well, guys, we'll just finish up the school and then get right back. Right back?
Back to you guys.
Right in. To make our way. Come, especially best to hear.
Yes.
Nothing?
Yes, you. Answer that me that deep. I'm just ask you. Yeah, let me see.
Yeah. I'm ready.
So begin. Select some bread, then you come and give it and say, man, come. Ready?
Ready. Most Heavenly Father, as we come here today, please bless everyone and bless this cake. Amen.
Amen. Yeah,
Yeah, but you're
yeah.
not.
Yeah.
Yeah, play. Right? Well, we shall.
I wish.
I think you know, comedy have nothing in mind, you know?
Yeah.
For me.
Oh,
Yeah.
no.
Yeah.
I have forgot the me.
That's how to come my ear, son. Come on by yourself. Come.
That's what I'm going to
Yeah.
I'll tell you go.
Okay, carry on. But I ain't that. I'm not that too big.
No, I'm not too
That was it, so you know. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, feel me that.
Yeah.
You give me for myself. Oh, can me put on me hand?
Check, please.
Give me mine, that's for mine. You put, where are you? This?
No, I tried to. Yeah, let's put it on.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm ready to piece that. Get that?
Where's my pyramid?
Let's see. Oh gosh. Guys, it is Black Forest.
Yeah.
Chocolate. What you say? Very easy. Special here. Peace. Next. Back to you. I'm ready that feel. No! Cream, why you do this? Me carry the cover? It looks good. And every time the baker wants to bake on them birthday. So this is what we have left. Birthday on a budget. Yes, stash. So you want to come sit and do the fun here so far? Put it in and put the cream in the middle. Like, I see the cup. Then if you guys can see it. Look, you see? Hello. Cold. Not freezer. Not good to me forget.
Oh, this shirt.
It's good.